Hello guys, welcome back once again to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. It's been a long time since I posted any video and I'm so sorry for that. I've been kind of busy. So this week I'll try as much as possible to post multiple videos. This is one of them. This, let me zoom out. This and this. You can see I have mouth-watering designs here, and I'll be dropping everything for free in the link, so you will get the PSD file free, but I'll be dropping each video one at a time. So I'll start with this video, so expect to get the entire files this week. So I'll be teaching you guys how I got or how I arrived at this particular design, what inspired me to get this design done. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell to always know whenever I drop videos, to help you to get my PSD files on time. So let's start with this video. So let me switch off all these layers. The idea of creating is just to be creative. You can use the same image for different purposes. So now I thought of creating something very simple. I saw this kind of design online and I decided to create my own version of the design. So when I saw this image, what I did first was to I checked on this quick selection tool here. I clicked on it. Sorry, let me go back to the image. So it's locked. Let me unlock it. So you can just click on select subject. This thing happens on newer versions of Photoshop. You can see it has selected the image already. So you can, on your keyboard, you can just press Ctrl J to duplicate. So once you click this off, you can see it has already been duplicated already. So let me Ctrl Z it and Ctrl select it. So that was how I got this one. So I decided to let me just walk around it. So now when I used that method to extract that image, which is this image, I now brought in okay, let me show you what I did here on a new page. Control N. So you can start by creating a new design. Control N for new. Then I used 2000 by 2000 pixel, create. Then what I did was to create this design. I brought in this image. This is a shape. So let me copy the color code. Control C. So what you can do here is add new layer, come here, click solid color, then paste the code that I copied there. Very simple. So what you do next again is I downloaded this background online. So let me paste it there. Now this background, I change the blend mode to luminosity. Normally if I put normal, you can see it's only going out, so I change it to luminosity just to make it a little bit dim. So now this was the image I extracted, as you can see from the tutorial, from the first thing I taught in this tutorial. You can see I extracted the image. So I now press Ctrl J to duplicate this image. So this image will be on top. So imagine me, okay, let me close this down. Imagine me coming here, pressing quick selection tool, select subject. Sorry, let me turn this off. Sorry. Now Ctrl J on my keyboard. So I can as well turn this off. Now bring this image that I already duplicated, bring it above these yellow images. So if I turn this on like this, turn this on like this, you can see it is now above these images. Now what we can do again to make it more realistic, now, okay, this was the image I duplicated. You come here to click it on, and I added camera raw effect to it to make it more lively, to make it more sharp. Now if you do this, you will now create a shadow to make it real. Now how do I create shadow? You can start that by creating a new layer. Create a new layer here, come to your shape. Okay, let's try circle, eclipse rather. Come here, you can create something like this, very simple. Color black. What you can do is you can reduce the opacity. Now come to your filter, your blur, gaussian blur, smart object. You can decide to do it like this if you want, or you can create a new layer. On your keyboard, press B for brush. Make sure your foreground color is a black. You can tap once like this, then press Ctrl T on your keyboard to transform. You can come like this, so many ways like this, put this down, reduce the opacity, make it look simple, make it look more realistic. So you can decide to do it anyhow you want to do it. And also you can add fast motion blur to it if you want to. The option is there for you. I already created already. How did I do this? I went to my filter, to my blur, then motion blur. That's it. Very simple. Now let me come to my text. Let me remove this. Let me come to my text. This is my usual text I used. Excuse me. My favorite font, Montserrat Bold, size that is 38 pixel, 38 pt, and tracking value is 1820. Then you can create shape. You can decide to do it anywhere you want. These are the files I used. You can just check it out. It's very simple. It's very simple. At least this is the easiest one I've done. Yeah, it's very simple. Where's the text? Yeah, the text should be somewhere here. Saturday. What I did for this text is very simple. I used, okay, let me come to the first text. You can see it's looking like 3D. So I use Badaboom BB regular, size 184. Then I duplicated that text. I duplicated the text and I changed the color to this color. Then I just changed the location. That's all. You can see. If you see, simple. So it's very simple. So you can get this file in the link below. Please watch my video to get all the required information, please. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.